Welcome to Pro News Flash. Bitcoin is not responding to good news and is rapidly falling on negative news. Let's dive into the latest events. Bitcoin is heading for its worst month since June 2022. Back then, the collapse of TerraUSD caused a cascade of turmoil in the crypto market. Now, the main reason for the fall of Bitcoin is a lack of confidence. From its record highs in October, the first digital currency lost half of its value. And yet, there is no end to the downtrend in sight. Bitcoin reacts sensitively to negative news and ignores the positive. So, the strengthening of the dollar and the fall of U.S. stock indices the day after the Supreme Court declared Donald Trump's tariffs illegal caused it to plummet to its February low. One more small step, and the crypto will fall to its lowest since September 2024. The outflow of capital from Bitcoin-focused ETFs over the past 5 weeks has amounted to $3.8 billion. This is the longest series of losses since February last year. Has Bitcoin ceded its role as a perceived inflation and macro hedge to gold? Gamblers have moved their money to betting markets, while legislative support has brought stablecoins to the forefront of payment systems. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has faded into the background. The market is debating whether support from Donald Trump and institutional investors is a bullish or bearish factor for Bitcoin. Or are they so bullish that they become bearish? The White House's loyalty has cast doubt on Bitcoin's decentralization. If cryptocurrency is so dependent on Donald Trump's actions, how can it hedge political risks? The increased presence of institutional investors in the market should have increased liquidity. However, this was accompanied by a decline in Bitcoin volatility, which caused speculators to leave. Hedge funds followed suit. They reduced their participation in ETFs from 31% in the fourth quarter of 2024 to 24% a year later. Investors do not believe that Bitcoin can be of any use and are reducing its share in their portfolios. With all this, the price risks falling towards 50,000, and it could be even worse. Stay with Pro News for more updates on events in the financial markets. Like, share, and subscribe.